Hey, glad you're here. It's a brand new day in Adventure Bay.
Ho, ho, ho! It's the
Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? It's a gift box. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast. Mayor Goodway is calling. Super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! Whoa! You can build a sandcastle here. Just bring any sand bucket you find to the castle platform.
You have unlocked everything you could here.
You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost.
To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members.
This looks like it goes in the garbage bin. Metal belongs in the recycling bin. A call from Alex. You got it! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it!
Be on the lookout for super treats. I heard they were super special during the event.
Water the flowers with Marshall. And watch them grow.
You did it, pup! More pups are waiting to join up and help! Add another to the team to access more prizes!
Bring the red cat to the fire hydrant to fix it. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it.